Good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Mariana Barbosa Ortiz. I studied business administration. I shared with you this video for the explanation of my letter in task 2. Why did I choose the company I made for the writing exercise? I chose the company Drawings RIJ Juárez Esno, and I chose this company because it defeats packaging pollutes the environment. How does this company contribute to pollution and air quality? This company contributes to pollution throughout its packaging as it is made of plastic, and they generate serious situation in soil, rivers, seas, and air. What opinions and demands did you express in the forum letter you sent? One of my opinions was to let you know the years and dates for this material to the campus that they look for the best alternatives for the packagings that contribute to the environment of the environment. What ecological solution when be provided to the public of this company? The only solutions for this public need have more responsibility with the environment of the company. Change the packagings. Help the road supply process. These solutions would positively help reduce the pollution generated by such material. Reduce and fighting for better pioneer is everyone's job. Thank you. Bye bye.